Suzhou, a famous historical and cultural city in China, and a central city of high economy zone, has proved to be a town of great strategic importance and a gathering center for businessmen since ancient times. It is one of the four megacities and core city of the three major metropolitan areas in Jiangsu province. Suzhou Armour Rubber Limited Company is located in this beautiful city known as the crossroad of five provinces. Time flies. Many generations of Armour people have been rotating here. The persistent throughout the company's 70 years of development, engraved with a mission of focusing on the development of off-road tires and contributing to social progress. Suzhou Armour Rubber is taking a strong hold in Suzhou and set up strongly. "70 years of unremitting research to build a craftsman's heart, bring up excellent tires. The accumulation and inheritance of nearly 70 years have created today's Suzhou Armour Rubber Limited Company." In 1951, the predecessor of Armour Rubber, the East China Military Region Armored Forces Logistics Department Rubber Factory, quietly appeared in front of the world, and the tires produced won a reputation of Armour brand tires is #1 in the world. Since the reform and opening up, Armour Rubber has gradually developed into a high-tech enterprise integrating professional research and development, production and sell-through, privatization and strategic relocation and expansion of production, as well as a production base of the largest buyers tires, the largest agricultural tires, and OTR tires in China. The company occupies an area of 800 acres with a registered capital 100 million RMB, total assets of 1 billion RMB, an annual output value of 3.6 billion RMB, an export of $80 million US, and a comprehensive production capacity of 4.2 million sets of tires, of which more than 400 types of agricultural tire sizes, and an annual production capacity 1.8 million sets. OTR tire reached more than 110 sizes with an annual production capacity of 600,000 sets. Agricultural and OTR radial tire nearly 100 sizes with an annual production capacity of 100,000 sets. The comprehensive strength ranks the 15th in the domestic tire industry and the first in the off-highway tire industry, and has entered the top 50 in the world tire industry. Production and sales of agriculture tires and OTR tires have ranked the first in China for many years. Every single attempt on development of improving, every creative production contains the craftsmanship of Suzhou Rubber, from basic research to market research, from on-site improvement to technological innovation. It has greatly promoted the development of Suzhou Rubber's professional off-road tires. The company has 4 research and development platforms: Formula Material Research Room, Product Structure Design Room, Process Design Room, and Process Equipment Design Room. The Jiangsu Fully Synthetic Rubber Off-Road Tire Engineering Technology Research Center, undertaken by it, was evaluated as the first batch of key R&D institutions in Jiangsu Province by the Science and Technology Department in 2013. So far, the company has a total of 55 national patents, including 11 invention patents. Liding participated in the compilation of national standards and rubber test methods for OTR tires and agricultural tires. The company introduces advanced equipment such as one-shot method, low-temperature rubber mixing system, two-stage one-step molding machine for radial tires, and relies on a professional technical research management team and an integrated production study research model to control raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products quality in each step, and strictly regulate production process. The company fully passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CCC, E-Mark DOT, and a research standard. Xuzhou Rubber has been deeply cultivating the off-highway tire market and is more familiar with the domestic off-highway tire use environment, and its products are more adaptable. Agricultural radial tires have passed the field comparison tests, and the comfort, traction, contact area, non-spinning rates, fuel consumption, and other specifications are better than internationally renowned brands, which marks that Xuzhou Armour agricultural radial tires have reached advanced levels at home and abroad market in the aspect of technical, quality, and product reliability, etc. With 70 years of concerted efforts and continued growth, what left is a gift to Xuzhou Armour. With a dream of creating professional off-road tire, advanced production equipment, rich and diverse product structure, stable product quality, strong supply capacity, high-quality product support, efficient and standardized after-sales service, Xuzhou Armour has established a good cooperation relationship with many domestic and foreign agricultural machinery manufacturers and top 10 manufacturers in construction machinery field. Agricultural radial tires were adopted as standard configuration by domestic and abroad famous agricultural machinery manufacturers. Over the years, Xuzhou Armour has been appraised as excellent supplier, strategic partner by cooperated manufacturers. Market share increases year by year, and the share of Armour brand agricultural and construction machinery tires rank the first in the domestic market. Armour brand tires has become famous domestic brand and highly praised and appreciated by customers, and won the only gold medal for tire of China agriculture machinery parts and components, issued by China Agricultural Machinery Association, and the Awards of Annual Spare Parts Utility Medal by Global Construction Top 50 Summit for OTR tires. Products are exported to the USA, Russia, Australia, South Africa, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, etc. Xuzhou Armour service concept is to deepen service connotation, enhance service value, improve service level, and create work moving, and has more than 200 service sites to keep in time, efficiency, standard after sales, and effect the promise of 2 hours respond, 72 hours solve. For nearly eventful 70 years, Xuzhou Armour still sticks to the stream. The company adheres to people-oriented, builds a comprehensive development platform for employees, maximizes the advantages of talents, and adopts Xuzhou Armour's special culture to unite employees closely and work together to achieve this same goal. Looking into the future of digital age of everything, the company will rely on internet resources to focus on the development of agricultural and engineering radial tires, and strive to enter the ranks of world-renowned brands of off-road tires to become the leading domestic and world-class off-road tire manufacturer and build a global reputation brand. Depending on unique ingenuity and good craftsmanship, the company is always stick to make the best qualified tires. Xuzhou Armour adheres to the corporate spirit of integrity, forging ahead, cooperation, and responsibility based on Xuzhou with national layouts and the whole world plans, and leads the industry to build a future belonging to China